Well, just when you thought you had heard of every possible type of smartphone app, a new bee app is on the way. It's been developed by a company in Missoula. Now, this app has some interesting roots and should be helpful to beekeepers worldwide. MTN's Russ Thomas explains.
It's an idea that was stemmed from a Department of Defense contract issued a decade ago.
That was to use bees to find landmines.
University of Montana professor David Firth is part of a team from the university who formed the company Bee Alert Technology. The team successfully trained the bees to do just that. The idea is that U.S. military camps around the world would have their own colony on hand. The question then became, how would soldiers know if the bees were healthy? Thus the idea was born for the Bee app, the Bee Health Guru.
Originally, the Bee Health Guru was designed to help soldiers who've never kept bees to be able to keep healthy bees. And then we realized that there's hundreds of thousands of beekeepers around the world who could use a smartphone app to help them keep healthy bees.
It was the beginning of a 5-year process that included a lot of tedious work, including recording a large number of sounds undetectable to almost anyone outside of the very experienced beekeeper.
We thought that if the bees had something different wrong with them, other health issues, that they would make a very specific sound. A colony that is queenless, a colony that has varroa mite, a colony that has American foul brood, they all sound different. And so we collected the sounds of those unhealthy bees and we put it inside our smartphone app.
The entire collection of sonic buzzing has been captured in the phone's artificial intelligence database and can be used by even the most novice beekeeper, including Firth, who started beekeeping just last summer.
We had one of the colonies here has something called American foul brood. That's really difficult for a new beekeeper to detect. And I was able to put the smartphone in the 18 different beehives here, and I could tell exactly which one had American foul brood.
The Bee Health Guru is expected to assist beekeepers in quickly identifying health problems and taking the necessary steps to maintaining strong colonies. In Missoula, Russ Thomas, MTN News.